Many companies that base their solutions on a relational database require that their customers periodically purge and archive their data to keep the data set that's stored in their relational database a manageable size. This is a challenging operation in part because in addition to the fact you have to manage the whole purging and archival process, it means that you now have to build into your business processes exception processing. So if you are only keeping the last N months of data in your serial number repository and you get a return from a year or two ago, or you get an inquiry into the validity of a particular serial number, now you have to find and fetch that information from some sort of offline archive and return that.
Managing the number of rows in a relational database this way necessarily means that you only have a subset of the available data to you. That subset could be defined by time, it could also be defined by size and have variable time. Either way, you're at a bit of a compromise from having the data that you might need on hand and readily available.
We have never been asked to purge any data out of the TraceLink repository for performance reasons. We have serial numbers that have commissioned last week. We have serial numbers that were commissioned 3 or 4 years ago. In the TraceLink world, if you need to query a serial number that was commissioned 3 years ago, it's available to you in real time using the same screens as you would for a serial number that was commissioned last week.